Enable more shipping options. Increase customer satisfaction by providing diverse and flexible shipping options. Unlock the potential of your in-app store by diversifying your shipping options through PandaGo, Grab Express, Ninja Van, and Same-Day Express shipping. Easily integrate these diverse choices into your store using the following steps. Please note that the process for each shipping option remains consistent on your dashboard. Navigate to your to-do list and click the Expand Delivery Choices button. In the Shipping Manager tab, select your desired delivery partner. Explore shipping rates by clicking the View Shipping Rate button. Provide contact and address information. Choose a merchant category. Input the contact person's name and the contact number of the person responsible for handing over the order to the rider. Complete the address information. Specify the pickup location. Adjust the PIN for accurate location and click the Update Map PIN button. For Ninja Van, choose your preferred pickup time slot and add remarks if needed. Click Submit. Congratulations! Your diverse shipping options are now set up, empowering customers to effortlessly select their preferred courier during the checkout process.